Hi everyone, it's Jordan with another Code Conversations vlog. Today I'm talking about cleaning and disinfecting different surfaces in your house, including yourself, countertops, tables, linen, towels, things like that. So the CDC gives you steps of how to do it depending on the surface. And so you can either clean a surface, which means removing the particles, the virus, the germs from it, which is still effective because it makes you less likely to get infected if there are less particles on a surface. Or there's disinfecting, which in turn actually kills them. So obviously that's a better method, but together it's the best way to go about cleaning and disinfecting. So they say if something like a surface is dirty, first clean it with soap and water, some sort of detergent, and then disinfect it. And while you're doing this, make sure you're wearing disposable gloves and then washing your hands after. And if you use reusable gloves, make sure that they're just used for that purpose so that you're not touching other things and kind of defeating the purpose of disinfecting in the first place. And then there's a list on the Environmental Protection Agency's website that the CDC links of all the approved cleaning products, disinfecting products, and it tells you the type of surface to use it on, if it's residential, the brand, and so there's a much more extensive list than just Clorox and Lysol, which I'm sure that's what a lot of people go to in the stores. And it tells you the active ingredient in it, the contact time, which means how long it needs to be on the surface to actually work. So how long it needs to be like wet on the surface, if it's a wipe or spray or something. And so that list is about 40 pages if you get it in PDF form, and there are some that are for porous surfaces like rugs or something, drapes, and a lot of them are basically laundry pre-soaked, so you would still need to launder them after. And so in terms of laundry, which would be for soft surfaces or your clothes, towels, bed sheets, for those you should be washing them in the hottest water setting that you can, and also making sure it's a non-residue leaving soap and drying them on high heat and drying them all the way as well. So that goes for the cloth masks that the CDC is recommending people wear now. That's how you go about cleaning them. Make sure you're cleaning them between uses. So if you wear them to the store, make sure that you take it off without touching your face, eyes, wash your hands after taking it off, and then clean it properly the way I just mentioned. So all of these ways are good methods to prevent yourself from contracting it. Make sure washing your hands, soap and water do the best trick, and if you don't have that, use hand sanitizer, but only if your hands aren't visibly dirty. Otherwise it kind of is ineffective, but soap and water always works. And so all soaps should work, but some brands that are more green brands like Miss Meyer's, the disinfectant might not work. So if you're washing your hands with that, you're good, but if you want to clean a surface with that brand or other green brands like that, you might want to stick to the ones listed on the EPA's website, or diluted bleach, which the CDC also tells you how to go about that in terms of measurements. But make sure you're keeping your house clean, doing it frequently when you go out, cleaning your hands, the things you bring in the house, your shoes. Those are actually something people might not think about carrying the virus, so don't wear them all throughout the house. Maybe take them off at the door. But remember to just stay safe and stay healthy and try to keep a normal routine so we can get through this.